Hello again, everybody. Welcome to an eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Protect the Cup box break number 40.
Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton.
Serial number on the tin is NE189502-174. That's NE189502-174. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Start off with the base card for the Blue Jackets, Steve Mason. Number 200 at 249. Up next, we have a nice hit for the Senators. Patch auto rookie of Stefan DaCosta. 142 to 249. Nice looking patch for the Senators. We have a signature patches card of Devin Setoguchi for the Wild. 36 out of 75. Devin Setoguchi. And we have a nice hit here for the Avalanche. It's a dual enshrinement, 6 out of 25 of Patrick Waugh and Joe Sakic. That card goes to Colorado. Nice looking hit for the Avalanche. And we have a base jersey card for the Ducks of Bobby Ryan, 22 to 25. And then to finish it off, we have a nice hit for the Canadians at Cup Foundation's quad jersey of Carey Price, 21 out of 25. So a nice hit to finish it off. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.